Standard Second, Subject English, Lesson number 2.4, Story Time. Unity is Strength. Once lived an old man with his 4 sons. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling. Quarreling means fighting with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but they would never listen to him and keep on fighting for every small things. One day the old man called his 4 sons. First he gave the eldest son to break the bundle of sticks. The eldest son put his full force to break the bundle of sticks, but the bundle did not break. In this way, all tried hard, but they did not succeed in breaking the bundle of sticks. Then their father smiled and told them to untie the bundle. Untie means open the bundle, and gave it to the 4 sons. The stick was easily broken. He said to them, they should remain united and live together. No enemy will harm them. But if you are divided among yourself and keep fighting, you will be weak like the single stick. So all the 4 sons learned the lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team and they lived happily. Moral of the story is united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you.